trans, Walt.
Filling any available space in front of you guys, all the way to the front. All the way forward, filling all the available front, guys. Any available space in front of you.
That's the first step.
Whoa, we got company. Hey, wow. Hey. All right.
How do, people?
All right. Hey, don't mind us. We'll be finished in just a minute.
Hey,
What's that? Hey, how
what are you
doing?
guys still doing here? You were supposed to be at a show.
I'm working.
Now.
I'd like to introduce our lovely manager.
She's usually not like this.
Yeah, she's usually worse.
I heard that. Where is my limo? Good. Okay, come on, guys. Please, get in the car. Sorry, folks. We gotta go. Come on.
Chris, can you grab my black Les Paul?
Hey, wait a minute. We can't leave these people here like this.
We can't?
No.
Come on, you know how we feel about our fans.
Yeah, that's right. Well, guys, what do you expect me to do? Send them all with you?
Hey, Steve, how about the backstage passes?
Wait a minute. I love that idea. How about some backstage passes?
Oh.
Yeah. Come on.
Make it happen. Give me some.
Okay, I'll make it happen. Now get out of here. I hate all of you.
See ya.
Have a nice ride.
Hi, Sal, it's me. Listen, I'm gonna need a bigger car. Make it a stretch. In fact, make it a super stretch. Great. Excuse me. Okay, folks. Look, the show is all the way across town, but I got you a really fast car. Okay, wait, it's out in the alley. Hey, guys.
Congratulations on those backstage passes, everybody.
Keep your head against the headrest and emergency with your hands, arms, feet, and legs face out. Put any loose items on the floor and be sure to watch your kids, because we're ready to rock. And those sponsors will be back. Inversions broadcasting live from the hottest show in town, the Aerosmith concert. Almost didn't make it in time because traffic is jammed in all directions, but don't worry, we've got you covered. Just keep it right here on LA's classic rock station. Listen to your